Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the permanent as well as the ad hoc assistant professor vacancies notification from the two different state universities from the different states, guys. And coming to the eligibility here, only PG is required. Okay, UG Senate or PhD is not at all required. And as a permanent post here, the salary is 1,42,400 rupees per month. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is Dibrugarh University. So here advertisement for teaching positions, professor as well as assistant professor vacancies, and here you may check down applications along with 7 photocopies of the same in the prescribed form of the university are invited from the intending eligible candidates for the following post so as to reach the undersigned on or before 26 April 2021 along with the bank draft of 500 rupees in favor of registered Dibrugarh University, Punjab National Bank, and the branch code is also given here. So coming to the professor category, the pay band is 1,44,200 to 2,18,200, and sociology only one post is there, and it is under the open category, unreserved category for PWD. And coming to the assistant professor, pay band 57,700 to 1,40,400 rupees per month, and the statistics one vacancy, specialization econometrics and time series analysis, statistical interference, distribution theory, design of experiments, PWD, OBC or the MOBC. So prescribed application form for the above post can be downloaded from the university website itself. So I will provide this website link at the end of the description box of this video, so you may find out. And the schedule of interview for the above post shall be notified at the university website itself, and no separate call letters will be sent to the candidates. Fine. So it is a one university, guys, very less, only 2 vacancies are there, that too for the PWD candidates. And while coming to the second notification is from the Rayalaseema University, guys. Okay, so here if you enter into the official website of this one, and you may find out online application and the detailed notification and the short notification for the recruitment of ad hoc assistant professor, okay, for the Rayalaseema University College of Engineering. And coming to the detailed notification, so it is a detailed notification, guys, and it is dated on April 1st 2021. So online applications are invited from the eligible candidates for the post of assistant professors ad hoc in different departments or subjects of Rayalaseema University College of Engineering, Kurnool. So for roster wise vacancy positions, eligibility criteria, important instructions and registration process. So the submission of online application form you will get from the official website of this one, and online application form will be available from 5th April 2021 to 25th April 2021, and the last date for submission of online application form is 25th April 2021. Okay, and coming to the civil engineering, so here the specialization structural engineering, water resources engineering, environmental engineering, geotechnical and transportation engineering. Total number of vacancies are 6. And here the roster point is given here, okay, OC, SC, OC, BC and OC and VH. And coming to the computer science and engineering, any specialization in CSC, total 7 vacancies are there. And coming to the electronics and communication engineering, the specializations are digital electronics and communication systems, embedded systems and the VLSI design, total 6 vacancies are there. And in the mechanical engineering, total 7 vacancies are there, and these are the specializations, right? And so qualifications and eligibility criteria as per the AICTE norm. So if you are having the PG in these particular disciplines, only post graduation, then you may apply this, okay, no problem. And mode of selection, the screening test either online or offline based upon the GATE 2021 syllabus for all engineering discipline. That means one screening test will be conducted, either it might be the online or offline. So it is based upon the that examination syllabus is GATE 2021 syllabus, and one seminar presentation, and then interview will be there. The shortlisted candidates based on performance in the screening test will be called for the 1:2 ratio to appear before the selection committee for seminar presentation and interview. And the candidates recommended by the selection committee based upon the performance in seminar and interview shall only be considered for appointment on ad hoc, that is purely on temporary basis with consolidated pay. Okay. And information is given here, name of the department in which assistant professor post is advertised. Okay, and the list of eligible or relevant broad specializations. Okay, and the name of the subject of the screening test. And few more instructions are given here. So all of the posts are purely temporary with consolidated pay, with a break of 1 working day for every 89 days and a break of 2 months at the end of the academic year as per the university norms. Okay, so these are the instructions given here, guys. Candidates are advised to satisfy themselves when they possess at least essential qualifications as per ACT. So those candidates are allowed to fill up the online application forms, and the last date is 25 April 2021. And the candidate applying for any one of the above advertised post, here the these are the bank details, guys. Okay, the processing fee to the following account. Okay, in the online application mode. So these are the details, and I will provide all the necessary links at the end of the description box of this video, guys. So please go through this one. And what are the documents you have to upload at the time of filling of online application form is, so SSLC and caste certificate, attested copies of educational qualification, and proof of previous teaching and administrative experience, and the list of research publications, if any. Fine. So these are the details, guys, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues, okay, who are looking for such type of opportunities, and please subscribe, okay, to get the more notifications like this. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys, okay? And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide